Super tender, juicy, delicious chicken and steak with sweet potato baked fries. Perfect for your lunch or for your dinner. Assalamu alaikum. To make this recipe, all you need is chicken breast and then cut them from the middle to give it a shape like a butterfly. And then sprinkle some salt, black pepper, white pepper, and sweet paprika. Rub it on the chicken evenly and then flip it over and then repeat the procedure on the other side of the chicken along with some garlic paste. Make sure you rub it nicely and evenly and then keep it aside. In a separate bowl, add soya sauce, honey, lemon juice and paprika. Mix them well and keep them aside. Now in a hot grill pan, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then add the chicken pieces. Make sure the pan is really hot so the chicken will get the marks. Flip the chicken pieces over and then let them get marked on another side. You have to cook the chicken for about 5 to 8 minutes on both sides. Once the chicken gets tender, then apply the soya and honey mixture on both sides of the chicken. To make grilled sweet potato, you need to peel and cut the sweet potato into fries-like shape. After that, add the cornstarch in it. Here I am using rock salt. Crush the rock salt finely and add them on the sweet potatoes along with black pepper and 2 tablespoons of olive oil or cooking oil. Assemble them in the baking tray and bake them in the oven for about half hour. Once it's get done, sprinkle some parsley on the top for the garnish. Serve them with the chicken and steak. They both complement each other perfectly. Enjoy it with your friend and family.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.